Life feels stressful when you try to control everything around you. Stoicism teaches one powerful idea: control your mind, not the world.
In the next 3 minutes,
You'll understand Stoicism clearly and simply, even if you're a complete beginner. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy focused on calm, strength, and self-control during difficult moments. It was practiced by emperors, teachers, and ordinary people facing hardship, loss, and uncertainty. Stoicism is not about being emotionless. It's about staying steady when life becomes chaotic. The core idea of Stoicism is simple. Some things in life are in your control, and some things are not. Your thoughts, actions, and choices are within your control. Other people's opinions, the past, and the future are not. Most stress happens when we try to control things we simply cannot control. Stoicism teaches peace by focusing on only what depends on you. When something difficult happens, Stoicism asks one important question: is this within my control? If the answer is no, you let it go calmly. If the answer is yes, you act wisely and without panic. This mindset reduces anxiety, anger, and emotional exhaustion. Stoics believed that events themselves do not hurt us, our judgments about them do. By changing how you think, you change how you feel. Stoics also practiced preparing mentally for challenges before they happen. This doesn't create fear, it creates readiness and calm confidence. Another Stoic principle is accepting reality as it is, not as you wish it to be. Fighting reality creates suffering. Accepting it creates strength. Stoicism also teaches self-discipline over pleasure and impulse. Not everything that feels good is good for you. A Stoic chooses long-term character over short-term comfort. This philosophy is still powerful today in a fast, noisy, and stressful world. Stoicism helps you stay calm in criticism, failure, and uncertainty. You may not control life, but you can always control how you respond. That is where true freedom begins. Stoicism isn't about avoiding emotion. It's about mastering yourself. Start small. Focus on what you can control today. If you want strength, clarity, and inner peace, Stoicism is a powerful place to begin.